2 years ago, I started the growing season with 1 wheelbarrow load of finished compost. I then built the old-looking compost bin out of pallet boards. Before that season was out, I had 1 bin full ready to be sifted, and I filled it again. Last year, I started the growing season with 1 compost bin full and ready to be sifted. During that season, I made an extra 25 wheelbarrow loads of compost, and I built 2 more compost bins. At the beginning of this growing season, I started with 3 compost bins full. I sifted them out and spread 480 gallons, that is equivalent to 2.37 cubic yards of compost on 15 garden beds. Here I am going to refill the bins by layering in several different materials. I have the old compost, grass clippings from yesterday's mowing, a quad trailer load of kelp, $11 bags of leaves from a guy down the street, $3 bags of grass clippings from my neighbor, a mixture of sawdust and ends manure from my own backyard ends. These bins are stackable layers. What I do, take off the layer, put it down beside like that. I have to use the fork for that by the looks of it. Smaller loose pieces, you can use the shovel. Now, one of the nice things about this bin I like is that, of course, you just need the 1 bin and you stack the layers over, and then you use the hedge as a talking point to do the initial lifting, because the hardest part about turning your compost is getting the compost, the forkful or the shovelful, away from the rest of the pile initially. Once you've got it free, it's easy to carry. That's 1 layer of old compost. One layer of lawn clippings. 1 layer of kelp, and my battery ran out. I had 2 layers of each in before I realized it. Back to a layer of old compost. A layer of lawn clippings, a layer of kelp, a layer of leaves, a layer of chicken manure. This is the last of the chicken manure, so I didn't get a layer for all 3 bins at this point. And back to a layer of old compost. The large leaves here are rhubarb leaves. I harvested the rhubarb while I was waiting for the camera battery to recharge. I thought I took a picture when the compost bins were filled, but apparently I did not. So they've settled down a bit now. The 2 new ones, this one and this one, were completely full when I finished layering, and the old one was down just the 1 layer down to here. So they settled down as compost do, and my plan now is to take that old compost bin and start a new pile, dig out what's in it, and fill up the new ones. I'll keep those 2 new ones full for a couple of weeks, and then I'll turn them 3 or 4 times and then sift them out again. So that was the introduction to my compost bins and how I like to layer my compost when I have large amounts of materials. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be back for the next video. Thank you.